guys, so today we are going to talk about complete set. Okay, so in this complete set, it consists of 9 products, which is we have Fruity Gentle Cleansing Milk, then we have Vitamin C Foam Cleanser, Expert Toning Solution, we also have Enzyme Serum and also Oxygen Serum. So we have these 2 serum. During the day you can apply this Enzyme Serum, during the night you can apply this Oxygen Serum. But then if you want to apply both serum onto yourself, make sure you're going to apply Enzyme Serum first, followed by this Oxygen Serum. Okay, and then the next one will be Precious Eye Serum, Brightening Moisturising Cream, Water Glow Sleeping Mask for your night routine. We are going to apply this 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, and then we have this UV protection for your day routine. It's very essential. So the first one is Fruity Gentle Cleansing Milk. Just apply it onto your palm. So just remove all over your skin. And then the next one would be this Vitamin C Foam Cleanser. Okay, just take it off. Use a desired amount for your skin. And wash it off. So I just wash off my face with this Vitamin C Foam Cleanser. The next one, I would be using this Expert Toning Solution. Okay, we need to use this toner. Just open like this. So you take this double-sided cotton pad, put it small amount, and then you just... Next one would be the serum. So you're going to use this Enzyme Serum, which is enriched with salicylic acid. Just put a few drops here and there. So after you apply the Enzyme Serum, you are going to apply this Oxygen Serum. Okay, the next one would be Precious Eye Serum. Okay, so this Precious Eye Serum is actually remove the dark circles that you have, and also it will also remove the wrinkles that you have. So use this finger to apply onto your eyes area, because you are going to massage using this finger. So just apply a few drops here and there. Don't forget your eyelids area. Okay, the next one would be this Brightening Moisturising Cream. Moisturizer. So just take a palm of this. Okay, see? So just put it here and massage all onto your skin. Night routine. So for the last step for night routine would be this Water Glow Sleeping Mask. It can give you 72 hours of hydration. So for the day, you will end this with UV protection. And that's about this complete set.